Hello guys, you have reached Regina TV and today I will be showing you a pair of panties that I bought from Victoria's Secrets, but I'm going to put a little twist to them. If you want to see what I have in store, then just stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and let's get to it. Alright guys, well, on Valentine's Day, my husband took me to buy some beautiful underwear. The underwear was from a really expensive store. And one of the bras that I got looked like this. Okay? But they did not have my bottoms. Now, the bra cost this much. Yes, $161 for the bra. Now, the panties to it cost like $100, but they didn't have any more in my size, so I had to put them on a wish list. Guys, so I went to Victoria's Secrets, bought some panties that I feel like, match this. Colors are very nice. They're lace. They got lace here and everything. And what made me get these is because the color is the same and also the lace on the strap of the bra. Hope you can see that, guys. So, I also bought this. Now, guys, for like $3, I went to Walmart and found these. So, I am going to sew these little roses. Stop talking about how big my panties is. I am going to sew these little roses on these panties, probably on the lace part, and see. And I am going to see if I can match the look of these panties to this bra. I'm going to try to match it with the pattern on the bra. I'm going to start with a purple. And probably go right here. And go behind the thing. I'm going to tell you right now, this is going to take forever, so I'm just going to sew a few and then I'll be back. Now, depending on what flowers you get, you can just flatten them out and then sew them. All right, guys, I am going to stop the video right there. Now the pennies look like this. Well, guys, you have reached Regina TV. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and share. Hit that notification bell down below so you'll know my next video is coming out. And until next time, guys, be safe, stay blessed, love one another, be kind to one another, and I will talk to you later. Mwah.